We have already seen how to find area of sector and segment and areas of plane combination of plane figures with circles. In today's video, we will do some of the problems based on that. First question is, in the figure AB and CD are two diameters of a circle perpendicular to each other, and OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. If OA is equal to 7 centimeter, we need to find area of this shaded region. So area of the shaded region means here you can see a circle, a small circle, and this part, area of this shaded region, we need to find out. So area of shaded region is equal to area of the small circle, or you can say that area of the circle with OD as diameter, or area of small circle plus area of semicircle, area of the semicircle minus area of this triangle. So if you take the semicircle, the full will come, and we need to find only the area of this part. So we have to subtract area of triangle. So area of the shaded region equal to area of the small circle plus area of the semicircle minus area of the triangle. Now area of small circle, again it is pi r square plus semicircle area means pi r square by 2, and area of triangle is half base into height. Here AB and CD are two diameters of a circle perpendicular to each other. OD is the diameter of the small circle. OA is equal to 7 centimeter. OA is 7 centimeter. So what will be OD? OD will be also 7 centimeter. OD is also 7 centimeter because they have given that AB and CD are two diameters. So OD will be also 7 centimeters. So radius of the small circle will be 7 by 2 the whole square. 7 by 2 the whole square plus, now radius of semicircle, the radius of the big circle is 7. So we can write pi by 2 semicircle, so divided by 2 into 7 square minus half into base into height. No, base is 7 plus 7, 14, and height is again this radius. So radius is 7 centimeter, so into 7. So area of small circle is 49 by 4 pi. Area of semicircle is also 49. We can say that 7 square by 2 minus half into base into height. So this we can write as 49 pi or 22 by 7 into 7 square is 49 by 4 plus again this one 22 by 7 into 2 into 49 minus this we can cancel, so it is 49. So which is equal to 77 by 2. You cancel this 11 and 2 7. So when you do the calculation, 77 by 2 plus 77 minus 49, which is equal to 77 by 2 plus 28, and when you simplify this you will get 66.5 centimeter square. So the next question, area of an equilateral triangle is 70,320.5 centimeter square with each vertex of the triangle as center, and a circle is drawn with radius equal to half the length of side of the triangle. Find the area of shaded region. So here it is very simple. Area of shaded region is equal to, you can see 3 circles and the triangle. So this is the shaded region. Area of shaded region is equal to area of triangle minus area of this 3 sectors. Area of 3 sectors. So these we can consider as a sector. So area of these 3 sectors, area of triangle minus area of the 3 sectors will give you area of shaded region. Since it is an equilateral triangle, we can write root 3 by 4 a square minus 3 into area of the sector is theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Already they have given area of the equilateral triangle in the question, so no need to find out. 17,320.5 minus 3 into theta. We know that for an equilateral triangle the angles will be same and it is equal to 60 degrees. So theta is 60 divided by 360 into 22 by 7. R we need to find. They have given that radius is equal to half the length of side. Radius is equal to half the length of the side of the triangle. So first we need to find side of the triangle. So we have root 3 by 4 a square. Area of the triangle is 17,320.5 centimeters square. Now a square we need to find, then we can find out a, so which is equal to 20.5 into 4 divided by root 3. So a square, we know the value of root 3 is 20.5 into 4 divided by 1.73205, value of root 3. So when you simplify this, we will be getting here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits are there after the decimal point. So when you multiply with 10,000, the numerator also you have to multiply, so we'll be getting a as 40,000. A square is 40,000. A will be square root of 40,000, which is equal to 200 centimeter. Now we got the side of the equilateral triangle as 200, but they have given radius is half the length of side of the triangle, so which is equal to 100 centimeter. Now we can substitute 70,320.5 minus this, you can cancel, which is equal to 6 to 11. So it is 11 by 7 into r square, that is 100 the whole square, so which is equal to 17,320.5 minus 700, which is equal to 1620.5 centimeter square. Next question, on a square handkerchief 9 circular design each of radius 7 centimeter are made. You need to find the area of remaining portion of the handkerchief. So area of remaining portion of the handkerchief is equal to area of remaining portion of the handkerchief is equal to the area of square minus area of square minus area of 9 circular designs. So area of 9 circular designs, and they have given radius of the circle is 7 centimeter. So first we need to find area of the square. We know length into length, and area of circle is pi r square. So 9 circular design is there, so 9 into pi r square. Now we need to find length of the square. They have not given, so we need to find length of the square, but the radius of each circle they have given. So this is radius 7, so from here to here it will be 7, so till here it will be 7 plus 7, 14. So I can say that side of the square is equal to, side of square is equal to 3 into diameter of one circle, and diameter of one circle is 14, so 3 into 14, which is equal to 42 centimeter. So side of the square is 42 centimeter. Same way we can check here also. Till here is radius of the circle 7, again diameter will be 14, so 14 into 3, which is equal to 42 centimeter. Area of square is 42 into 42 minus 9 into 22 by 7 into 7 square. 1 7 will get cancelled, which is equal to 1764 minus 1386 which is equal to 378 centimeter square. So this is very easy to find out area of remaining portion of the handkerchief, area of the square minus area of 9 circular design, and area of the 9 circle. Already they have given radius of the circle. We need to find the length of the square. So the length of the square is nothing but 3 into diameter of one circle. So thank you for watching my video.